Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix or improve the sound of your earphones. It can be anything, wired or wireless, but this fix only applies to the in-ear type of phones. I will show you how to quickly repair a low volume issue on your earphones. I'm showing you this because in my case I didn't even know that the manufacturer has already included all the needed tools and spare parts for the fix for my IconX true wireless earphones. This can definitely be done at home and it takes only a few minutes. I'll show you the issue first. Here you can see that my dirty ears have clogged the earphone mesh and almost no sound comes out of this earphone. First you need to remove the ear tips from the earphones. Then take out the long forgotten packaging of the earphones and get to the bottom of the packaging. Unpack the tools needed for this repair and of course read the manual from both sides. Now take one of the earphones and remove the dirty mesh from the earphone itself by using the included tool. You can see that the dirt and earwax has gotten even further than the mesh and we need to clean it out. Take out the brush and clean it like you would clean your teeth. When it's all done, we need to take the new mesh and remove it from the packaging. Carefully attach it to your finger so the glued side stays upside. Now center the mesh on the earphone, get it as close to middle as you can. Then press on it with the prying tool and at the end press firmly with your fingers. Do the same thing for the other one and you're good to go. Now you can enjoy the music again. You can order the earphone mesh from Amazon and they're being sold in different diameters. Just find the right one for you. Thanks for watching and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to press the subscribe and like to see more of Techscrew. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.